Daniel's shoulders slumped. His tie loosened. Another 16-hour shift done. All he wanted was his bed. He jabbed the lobby button, the elevator doors sliding shut with a soft hiss. The descent was smooth, the numbers counting down his escape. 20, 19, 18. But then, between 14 and 12, a new number glowed a sickly red. 13. Daniel's breath caught in his throat. This building didn't have a 13th floor. A jarring lurch, and the doors shuddered open. Before him lay a hallway, bathed in the frantic flicker of dying lights. The air, thick and heavy, reeked of something old and rotten. A long, distorted shadow stretched from the darkness, creeping into the elevator car. Just as Daniel thought to move, a voice, a mere whisper, brushed against his ear. Don't step out. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to hear more spooky tales like this. Stay safe out there.